Whispers of unity talk, ZANU-PF and Zapu sharing a table. It seemed impossible, yet the rumor mill churned. Speculation filled the void left by official silence. Was this a genuine attempt at reconciliation or just another political play? The news spread like wildfire. Zimbabweans, weary of political strife, dared to hope. Could this signal an end to the decades-long feud? Could it pave the way for a more unified future? Zapu's response was swift and categorical. No unity talks, they declared. Their denial was firm, leaving no room for ambiguity. The party leadership dismissed the rumors as baseless fabrications. This was not the first time such claims had surfaced. ZANU-PF had in the past floated the idea of a unity government, yet for Zapu the wounds of the past ran deep. Trust, once shattered, was not easily rebuilt. The party's history was marked by violence and betrayal. The Gukurahundi massacres, a dark stain on Zimbabwe's past, cast a long shadow. For Zapu, unity without accountability was unthinkable. ZANU-PF and Zapu, once comrades in the fight for independence, had become bitter rivals. Their shared history was overshadowed by years of animosity. The struggle for power had left deep scars. Zapu's skepticism was rooted in this tumultuous past. They had seen promises broken and agreements disregarded. They remembered the violence unleashed upon their supporters. The Gukurahundi, a brutal military crackdown in the 1980s, remained a festering wound. Thousands of civilians, predominantly Ndebele-speaking Zapu supporters, were killed. Reconciliation without addressing this painful history felt hollow.